Welcome to Timeless Stoic Life, where ancient philosophy meets the burnout of modern living. If you're here listening, maybe you're tired, not the kind of tired that sleep fixes, but the kind of tired that touches the soul. So today we won't rush, we won't push, we'll pause and return to what's essential. Have you ever felt like you woke up tired, as if you never actually slept? You're not lazy, you're burned out. Burnout isn't weakness. It's your body, your mind, your soul saying, I've given too much, for too long, without resting. In today's reflection, we explore how Stoicism, a philosophy born in chaos, offers 5 quiet, powerful, and healing practices to bring your energy and your presence back to center. Burnout is more than tiredness. It's emotional emptiness, a kind of numbness where even rest doesn't feel restful. Seneca once wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality. But when you're burned out, even your imagination becomes heavy." The Stoics didn't have inboxes or group chats, but they faced war, exile, illness, and grief. They didn't just survive, they practiced stillness, and so can you. Here are 5 Stoic practices to begin your recovery. Radical pause. Practice doing nothing. Sit in silence for 10 minutes. No phone, no goals, just you and stillness. Reflective journaling. Name what drains you. Write 1 page. What exhausts me? What nourishes me? You can't heal what you don't name. Control inventory. Let go of what you can't command. Make 2 columns. Things I control, things I don't. Burnout often comes from wrestling with the second. Evening gratitude reflection. At night, write down 3 things that went well. Train your mind to shift from depletion to quiet appreciation. Memento Mori reset. Burnout traps us in the belief, I have to do it all. Remembering death reminds you, you don't have to do it all. You just have to live today. Well and gently. Burnout is not a flaw. It's a whisper, asking you to slow down and return to yourself. You don't heal by pushing harder. You recover by pulling inward, like a Stoic. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Your exhaustion is not the end. Maybe it's the beginning of your return. If this message brought you peace, even for a moment, share it with someone who needs to rest without guilt. Someone who needs to hear, you're not broken, just tired. And that's okay. Subscribe to Timeless Stoic Life for weekly reflections on calm, clarity, and inner strength. Slow down. Reconnect. Come home to yourself.